Hello there. Welcome to PSM SoftTech Pvt Limited. Today we will see how we can manage e-invoicing with software. To create e-invoice bill, the customer's GST number and PIN code should be valid and the product's valid HSN code should also be filled in the software. After preparing masters, we will update the e-invoice user ID and password prepared from the portal in the utility menu. After filling the details, we will apply the details. Then we will create sales invoice. For invoice creation, we will select the customer and after selecting the product, enter the quantity and rate and save the invoice. After saving the invoice, we will then open our invoice and click on the e-invoice button. Here by clicking on Generate e-invoice button, we will create e-invoice. After creating the invoice, ACK number and IRN number will be updated in other information page. We can check by going to Update e-Invoice Info in other information. After updating these details, we will create QR code which will be printed in the bill. Once done, we will print the invoice. In this way, we can create e-invoice. All the information related to e-invoice is saved in this QR code which will be shown to us when scanned. Thank you.